Alright, now we're going to reassemble the rifle real quick and get it back together. Basically, you take your stock, get it there, place your trigger guard in. Like I said, see, there's a little bit of a spring to that, so you want to kind of not tighten one down all the way, just get it kind of started and down. Like that, so it's snug. And we'll go from the top with the long one. Kind of putting a little bit of pressure on there so it lines up. You don't want to cross thread it and get it started. And get the 2 screws tight without putting too much pressure. Okay. And our barrel band here, the rear one, it slides down, engages in its pin. Our middle band goes on. We get it in place, and then we turn left to tighten it up, and there we go. Okay. Okay, now we take our forward barrel band, slide it into position. We take our magazine tube, place it in the stock. We slide it in, find our tab. Now we know our tab goes in line with the barrel, and we slide that in until it's in place. Now our wedge goes in from this side until it fits. You may have to adjust this, and then it drops down in. And a little tiny screw is put in there. It holds the wedge down. Then we take our spring. Hopefully you'll have your cap off, because this is the tricky part with the magazine follower. And then we just feed that down in there like this. Like I said, you got to be very careful. It's a very delicate, fine little spring. Okay. Our cap in there. And then we just screw our cap back on. Okay, cap's on. Now, flip the gun around, place the bolt back in, and again we'll probably have to manipulate our magazine cutoff. Back or forth, and what that does is that moves something into the action, or it allows the bolt to go in. So now the bolt is in. We return our screw down. And the rifle is reassembled. Okay, and that's how you do a standard one that's unmodified.